Welcome to my channel Come Connection. Today we will demonstrate how to delete a bigger number of blank rows from a large table easily in a couple of seconds. If you want to remove the blank rows in this table, click on Home tab if it is not already selected, and then click on Find and select under Editing Group. Then click on Go to Spatial. Click on Blanks. Okay. Now every blank row in the table is highlighted. Now click on Delete. This one. Click Delete Sheet Rows. Whole table has been immediately cleared from the blank rows. This method is safe only when all the rows are completely blank, so there is no chance to lose data. Now we are setting a complex example. Let us see the worksheet of example 2. Here, mostly blank cells, but also few cells that contains a value. If we follow the steps that we saw previously, we will lose the data. Here, we again follow the same method and see what is the result. So click on Find and select, then go to Spatial, Blank, OK. Now, if we select the delete sheet rows, we will lose our data. This is the problem. Here, let us see how we can solve the test without losing the data. Here we use a filter option. First, need to add a filter to the table. Select the whole columns. Select the whole columns. Not select the header columns only, like this. Select the whole column like this. Now click on Data tab. Now click on Filter. Arrow appears. Now start with the first column. Click on the button and untick Select All. Select All. And then click on Blank. OK. Now here again untick Select All. Blank. OK. Now here also in column F, untick Select All, blanks, OK. Now highlighted these blank rows only. Click on right button and then select Delete Rows. Now turn off the filter. The table display all the data. If you found this tutorial is helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by Come Connection and learn how to use Excel in a quick and useful way. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.